Alright, so today we're looking at finding x in this given expression. Take for instance, you have two fractions and then you have equal to in between. What do? You're going to know in a few minutes. First, write out the question. 5 all over 3x plus 1 equals 7 all over 2x plus 1. And the next thing to do is, when you have two fractions and you have equal to in between the two fractions, you cross multiply, which means this multiplies what we have here, and the denominator here multiplies through with the numerator in the other fraction. And to do that quickly, we have 5 into bracket of 2x plus 1, close the bracket, put the equal to sign, 7 into bracket of 3x plus 1, and you close the bracket. Now we have to expand this. 5 multiplied by 2x is 10x, plus 5 multiplied by 1 is 5, equals 7 multiplied by 3x is 21x, plus 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. The next thing to do is, when you have numbers with coefficients and numbers without coefficients, you collect like terms. And to do that, we abbreviate C for collect, L for like, and T for terms. So this means the numbers with coefficients stays in one side, and the equal to divide this separates them, and then we have the numbers without the coefficients in the other side. And to do that quickly, we can just say 10x. We have 21x here. When it crosses to this other side of the equation, this is the left-hand side of the equation. When it crosses here, it becomes minus 21x equals, then you have the 7 here. This has a positive value, a positive symbol. When it crosses to the other side, it becomes minus 5. So we have 10x minus 21x to give us minus 11x equals 2. When you have this, the next thing for you to do is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. And what is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is the number beside x, which is minus 11. So we're going to have minus 11x over minus 11 equals 2 over minus 11. So minus 11 takes out minus 11. You're left with x equals minus 2 over 11. And this is your final answer. Do well to pause the video. You can go over it again, take the steps one after the other. And if you like what you saw, don't forget to hit the like button, comment down any question related to finding the unknown, and I will do justice to it.